Energy drives economies and sustains societies. It has therefore been an important driver of industrial growth over the past century, providing fuel to power the rest of the economy. In light of this, the Ghana Energy Awards was instituted to celebrate the achievements of energy professionals, from suppliers to brokers to technology providers as well as energy reporters. The award scheme has been responsive to the industry's needs by building a brand that ensures continued interest from the energy sector. This year's theme, Global Decarbonisation, a just and equitable energy transition, reflects the devastating effect of climate change in the daily operations of the energy sector.
It is pretty obvious that this year's theme seeks to generate answers to the challenges faced in the sector, and we are convinced that, as always, our companies in this industry will live up to expectations as they have always done with the Ghana Energy Awards.
The Ministry of Energy says, in line with the changing times, it is poised to develop its own strategy for transition to position the economy to boost revenue and production of electricity.
We know that Africa's energy greenhouse emissions is about 3.8% of the global emissions, with Ghana having about 0.55 metric tons of CO2 emissions per person, comparing it to the world average of 4.7 metric tons of CO2 per person, with China, US going above 10 metric tons of CO2 per person. So somebody asks, so why are we doing energy transition? Why is the ministry on this line, on this tangent to go and do energy transition? And we put it in a simple way. There is a hole in the boat. We in Africa didn't make that hole, but then the boat is sinking. So do we want to make our own hole before we start covering that hole? By then the ship would have sunk. So that is why Africa must also contribute and have plans towards energy transition.
In its 6th year, the 2022 edition has introduced 5 new categories. These include the Visionary Leadership Award, Eco Innovation Business Award, Outstanding Energy Management Award, Novel Deployment of Renewable Energy, and the Sustainable Partnership Award. 23 categories are up for grabs, with 19 competitive and 4 non-competitive awards. A 3-month-long application window is opened for nominations. This year's hope to recognize the efforts, innovations, imagination, best practice and business excellence of stalwarts in the sector. It will further celebrate the tremendous work of competing players under the various award categories. Rebekah Awuah, Accra.